Hey, thanks for watching. This is Steve, and I want to give you a quick review of this formula right here called NeuroThera from Klaire Labs. I am going to cheat a little bit because there's a lot to this formula. There are 11 therapeutic brain/cognitive function nutrients jam-packed into this awesome formula. And so just give me less than 3 minutes here and I'll walk you right through the whole thing. So this formulation is a prime example of why we emphasize a coordinated multi-nutrient approach whenever possible to promote maximum benefit and safety. The brain's complex metabolism requires many different nutrients for optimum cellular communication and a balanced response to stress. Excessive or chronic release of adrenaline and cortisol, accumulated effects of environmental exposures, and oxygenation can all affect the brain with an impact on mental alertness, memory, and other functions. So while using one or two neuro-supportive nutrients can help target specific areas of function, care is needed to avoid potentially harmful effects of overstimulating only one neurotransmitter pathway. So what is in NeuroThera? Let's walk through it. There's 11 nutrients. I'm going to tell you how much is in here and why they're there. So there's 250 milligrams of alpha GPC or glycerylphosphocholine. Glycerylphosphocholine supports cellular membrane structure, choline levels, acetylcholine balance, learning, and memory formation. Then there's 500 milligrams of acetyl L-carnitine or ALC. ALC beneficially modulates alertness and mitochondrial capacity. It supports acetylcholine synthesis associated with memory function, and the efficacy of ALC has been demonstrated in multiple clinical trials. There's also 250 milligrams of L-glutamine. L-glutamine may support production and balance of neurotransmitters glutamate and gamma-aminobutyric acid, also known as GABA. Then there is 100 milligrams of pyroglutamic acid, which promotes acetylcholine and GABA neurotransmitter release. It facilitates communication between the left and right hemispheres of your brain. Then there's also 250 milligrams of L-tyrosine, which is an amino acid precursor to neurotransmitters norepinephrine and dopamine, which are associated with long-term memory and muscle control. It supports healthy cognition in times of occasional stress. Then there's 100 milligrams of dimethylaminoethanol, otherwise known as DMAE. DMAE promotes acetylcholine synthesis and associated memory and neuromuscular function. It has extensive documented efficacy in clinical research dating back to the 1950s in both elderly and pediatric patients. There's 100 milligrams of standardized ashwagandha, which demonstrates adaptogenic and neuroprotective benefits as an antioxidant. Ashwagandha has been clinically demonstrated to be helpful for stress and occasional anxiety, obsessive behavior, cognitive function, as well as sleep. Then we also have 100 milligrams of standardized blueberry. Excuse me. Blueberry provides antioxidant protection to support healthy neurotransmission, memory, and focus. There is 80 milligrams of standardized ginkgo in NeuroThera. And ginkgo supports healthy cognitive function, working memory, as well as nutrient and cerebral oxygen delivery and circulation. There is 100 milligrams of standardized eleuthero extract. Back in the 90s, we used to call that Siberian ginseng. And Siberian ginseng is an adaptogenic support of endurance, as well as mental health and social functioning in older subjects. And lastly, there is 50 milligrams of phosphatidylserine. Phosphatidylserine is the most common brain cell phospholipid. It's also been shown in multiple clinical trials to support healthy stress reaction, cognitive function, and working memory. So there you have it. I had to cheat, but that's NeuroThera from Klaire Labs. Check it out. Thanks. See you next time.